rev it a few times. Very smooth, boy. Great, okay, thank you. '70 Cutlass Supreme, one owner car, coming up for sale for the first time since new. Boy, this has never been sold except when you bought it. 103,000 miles original on it. Showcasing the original top on this 1970 Chevelle, one owner car. It's got Cutlass Supreme. But original top, of course. Original interior, one tear.
Don, I've rearranged.
Yeah, yikes. Do you know what years they made glass windows like this?
I think they started with the 69.
Cool. That's when Volkswagen went to glass.
And
Gosh,
then,
that is something.
and of course they didn't wash that before I...
Yeah, well, it shows it's very, very, very original and honest. Oh, that does sure shine up in a hurry really nicely.
Before I put the top down today.
Yeah.
And it's the original.
Yeah, isn't that something? I love the color. Again, I keep saying it, but I just love it.
And I think this was a system that they only used about 2 years.
Okay. And
If my memory serves me right.
this boot is original, no doubt. Boy, that looks sharp on. Wow, what a great color. I love it. Gosh, that is really nice. Huh. That's great.